Hey everyone, it's Kristen from Garden Exploration or Garden of Kristen, depending on how you found me. And I just wanted to show you how I made this flower stand that I put out at the end of my driveway to sell bouquets of flowers. And this actually was something I found on the curb, not the whole setup, just the planter part with the legs on it. One of my neighbors was getting rid of it, so I brought it home. And actually, I first gave it to my mom because she's getting older, and that way she wouldn't have to bend down so much to tend her flowers. And so she had it for a couple of years, and then she decided she didn't want it anymore, was using something different. So she gave it back to me, and I thought this would make a great cut flower stand if I could put some wheels on it. So first I tried some smaller wheels. I'll show you. So this is the kind of wheel I tried first. I had 4 of these left over from a filing cabinet or something like that. So I put those on, and those worked for a while. Sorry about all the traffic in the background. I'm on a pretty busy street. There's a couple schools right down the road. There's a playground next to me, and this is one of the busier streets. But it works out great for me if I'm trying to sell cut flowers because a lot of people go by. I hardly even have to advertise. So anyway, these wheels worked for a while, but then they started falling off. I lost one in the grass, and so I decided I needed something bigger. I went to Harbor Freight and picked up a couple of these wheels. I think they're 7 inch, maybe 8 inch diameter. They were pretty cheap. And I asked my dad if he had any hardware to go with it. Even though he's in his 80s, he still loves to putter in his workshop and has saved a whole bunch of hardware. So, so he found some spindles we could use for axles and some nuts, and he took care of putting those wheels on for me. And he even offered to make a handle for the other end. So you can see the shape that he cut out on his jigsaw, and he drilled a hole on either side for the dowel. So I think it's great. But I also, if he hadn't offered to do that, I was just going to get a towel bar to attach to that side so I'd have some kind of handle. I found this little cute little sign at the Dollar Tree, and they had some chalk markers, so I made a little sign for that. And I put here's another couple signs I got from the Dollar Tree here, and this one here. And then I made a not I didn't make this. I bought this on Amazon, this drop box. I originally had it in my porch for my piano students, and I thought it would be perfect for putting on here so that way this cart could be self-service. And then I also, uh, I'm probably not supposed to show this on YouTube, but I I printed out my QR code for Venmo and laminated it, put it here so that people could pay without cash. These caddies I found at the Dollar Tree as well, these cup caddies. So these are great for putting in vases and jars. So I save like some olive jars or pickle jars. These are just some tall glasses we weren't using anymore. This is a milk bottle. I picked up some vases at a garage sale. This style is a little bit too narrow. I don't like it as much. And I had some with wider ones, but I ended up selling. So I need to restock on my vases. And then I have a cup of flower food here that they can have, and just some extra cups. If they don't want to take a vase, they can just put their bouquets in a cup, or they can wrap it in a paper towel to take home. Lots of options. And then I attached a umbrella stand here. Usually I have a couple bungees. I've got to get those out. and a sign at the end here, which I think you already saw. And I have these other signs here that I made, just painted over some old easels with some chalk paint. I've got this other one here, and down at the bottom there is another one. That one I found at Aldi's. That's my flower stand. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if it was helpful to you, please give it a thumbs up. It really means a lot to me and helps other people to find it on this channel. I will try to make another video soon of how I make the bouquets and show them out by the street. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.